Okay, once I've finished my first trial and I have my three different capture rates for my different confidence levels, I want to generate a new 100 samples and repeat that process. So I'm going to click back over here to my n equals 4 tab, and it's really easy to regenerate. So you could just click up at the top, and anytime you do any action, it's going to regenerate all of these numbers. All right, so I now have 100 new different sample means. These are all new numbers, and I'm going to highlight and copy these values back into my Desmos page. So I'm going to click over to my Desmos page, and these are my old values. I don't want those anymore, so I'm just going to click X and delete them. And so what I'll do is I'll click on my sample means folder title, click on the plus icon, and add a new expression. So that opens up a blank line for me, and I'm going to Control V, and you'll see that these are named X2 and Y2 again. Remember, each time we're gonna have to change those to uh, X1 and Y1. And if you're like me, you would change these to black. And um, my confidence level is set to 86. That's no good. I want to set this first one to 90%, and I'm gonna see what the capture rate is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 did not capture. So that means 100 minus 13 is 87 did capture. So I'm going to go back over to my Google Sheet and to the results page, results tab, and I've typed in 87. All right, then I'm going to fill in the 95% capture rate, the 98% capture rate, and make sure that you recopy that shareable URL and paste it as a link right here. All right, once you have finished this, you're going to complete 3 more trials, and we're going to find the mean capture rate. So let's say that the next time I got a capture rate of 92, and then maybe 89 and 91, something like that. To find the mean capture rate, I'm going to click on this cell, go to my formula bar, and type in equals average, like we did before, and the cells go from C4, hit semicolon, down to C8, and hit enter. And so I have now the mean capture rate, the average capture rate for this 90%, for this example would be 89.4%. All right, once you have your entire table filled in, you're just gonna drag across like we did, and it's gonna autofill those. Right now it says 95 and 98 because it's only finding the average of these two numbers. Um, then once you do that, you're going to move on and you're gonna click on the n equals 9 tab, and you're gonna do that same exact process for n equals 9. You're gonna generate 100 different samples, calculate the 100 different sample means, and you're going to do that same process we did for n equals 4. Then we're going to do that same thing for n equals 16 by clicking on the n equals 16 tab, and we're going to do that another 5 trials.